Hello my YouTube family, welcome to my channel of Big Bean Home Decor, where I share home decorating ideas to make you people easier. So keep watching and do like and share with your friends. Hello guys, welcome to my channel of Big Bean Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. In this video, we brought latest top 100 mini bathroom ideas. Mini bathrooms is must when you have a low space at home. A bathroom is an essential part of any home. It's a place where you can relax, bath and change clothes. But you don't have to go all the way to the bathroom if you don't have one. Here are some ideas that will make your bathroom look more like a real space. Number 1. Use a tile or hardwood floors instead of hardwood tiles. This will give your bathroom a more natural feel. Number 2. Create a separate room for toilet or create a closet in the main bathroom for toilet. This will allow you to keep things organized and keep things clean when you are not using bathroom. Number 3. Add a small vanity in the bathroom that has hooks for towels, makeup brushes, etc. This will make your bathroom feel more like home and give it the extra woo factor. Number 4. Use natural materials such as wood or bamboo to create your cabinets and countertops. This will give your bathroom a more organic look without having to spend too much money on material that are likely to break down over time. A bathroom is a room that is used for personal hygiene and the storage of items such as toiletries, bathrobes, and other personal belongings. A bathroom can be a very important space in your home, but it can also be a very expensive one. That's why it's important to make sure that you have the best bathroom idea for your home. Here are some of the best bathroom ideas for 2022. There are so many beautiful bathroom ideas out there, but one thing you should definitely keep in mind is that you should always choose the right size and style for your space. If you're looking for something that going to fits perfectly into your space, then you should definitely go with a smaller size. However, if you want something more modern or unique, then you should go with a larger size. If you have a lots of things to take care of in your room and don't want to clutter up your bathroom too much, then it might be wise to go with a larger size. If you want to keep all your cleanliness secrets safe and secured, then it might be wise to go with a larger size. So in this video we added more than hundreds ideas. A bathroom is one of the most important space in the home and it should be taken care of well. It's a place where you are relaxed, take a break from the daily chores and enjoy yourself. You can use it for a variety of things such as showering, bathing, drying off, and so on. There are many different types of bathroom that you can choose from so you can find one that suits your needs best. One thing to keep in mind is that there are certain things that you need to consider before buying a bathroom products. First of all, make sure that the product will fit into your home well. If it does not fit in well, then you may end up with problems later. Also make sure that the product will last for a long time. If it breaks easily or if it breaks down over time, then you may have to replace it soon after purchase. Another thing to consider is the material used in making the products. Some products may be made from plastic or metal, while other may be from woods or bamboo. The same goes for the design of the product itself as well as how it is made. It could also be made from wood or bamboo. A bathroom is an easy place to use because it has plenty of storage space and it does not take up too much room in the house. You don't have to go through all of items when you are done with them or you might end up with more than you need. When designing your bathroom, think about what will make it feel like home. Is there anything that will remind you of you are? Is there something that will remind you that this place was special? Are there things that will make this space feel like home? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then you are on the way to create the perfect bathroom. Next, a good bathroom design will give you a space that is comfortable and inviting. Here are some tips for designing a good one. Number 1, choose a color scheme that will complement your surrounding. Number 2, choose a design that will create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. Number 3, choose fixtures that are easy to clean and maintain. Number 4, choose fixtures that are easy to clean and maintain. Number 5, select bright factor mirrors and lights that give fabulous looks to your bathroom. The best small bathroom ideas combine charm and practicality. These small bathrooms are designed to make a compact space feel not just bigger and well functioning, but super stylish too. When it comes to small bathroom design, clever planning, which includes everything from layout to fitting choices to smart storage option, is the key to ensuring that even